It's another tribute for Arceus, Pokemon God.
Arceus, Pokemon God.
Now,
Tanggapin mo ang alay naming Journey Together pack na si N at ang kanyang Sorowa. Bigyan mo kayo ng Lilis Slippery EX. Oh, Arceus. Pokemon God. Alay namin si N at ang kanyang Sorowa. Pagkuluban ko ng Lilis Slippery EX.
oh, this one is very heavy.
Lilis Slippery EX. Oh, Arceus.
This one is heavy.
Tingin ko yan ay Psychic Energy. Pag Psychic Energy yan. Lilis Slippery yan. Oh, Lilis Slippery.
It's water. And we have a hit. I already spoiled the border. I already spoiled the border.
Ayun. Ay, Lilis Slippery.
Yan na yun. Di-descriptor yun. A basic water energy. Oh, what is this? A floor mat?
Galarian Stomping. Parang reprint lang. Bombardier.
Yan ito pala itsura niya pag magandang nalipad. Oh, Parasite.
Ay, Parasite. Kailangan ko yun.
We already have one.
Ay, hindi. Reverse ulit to.
Oh!
Ay, kailangan ko yun. Wala pang
Yes.
Oh, Hops Bag. Ay,
Please, mamaya ka.
Kung kaliyan yan. Ay, hindi yan SIR. Hence, clink lang.
Nanggigigil na kami sa'yo.
Ito na, ipal ka. Yan.
Uy, bagong ahas.
May ipal na isa. Si Hawk.
What the heck are you? Clank na naman.
Kikliyon.
And...
Uy! Ultra rare.
Oh!
Ultra rare. Uy! Clipiri! Lilis Clipiri yan. Kulay pink eh.
Oh.
Lilis Clipiri yan. Oh, Arceus. Lilis
Please.
Hindi ko nasabing SIR! Dapat pa na.
Ay!
Salamat.
Uy! Yes, at least we have a hit.
Salamat. Kala ko, prepare na kulay pink eh.
Oo nga, pero at least from 5 packs, sabi ko di ko bubuksan eh. Sana sinil na lang natin.
You should have kept it sealed.
Oh, no. Blame your thumb.
Your luck.